I practice this each and every day. You breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Oh, I didn't realize you guys was here. Hi guys, this is me, Miles. I'm V. Shulman, and I really um took good out by all this. Just wanted to share some of the exciting news for today's video. So AMC's are opening up. AMC theaters are opening up. If you want to go to AMC theaters, they're gradually opening up. I don't know which AMC theaters are opening up, but there are AMC theaters opening up. Alright, that's all I wanted to say. Okay, bye.